Hey besties, do you know you can make money from the comfort of your home testing websites, products and services? If this is something you're interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. Guys, let's just get right into the business of today. Have you heard of userfeel.com? Guys, if you're ready to turn your clicks into cash, stick around because I'm going to share the secrets. I'll unveil the secrets of this fantastic platform. Hey, in case you're wondering what is the buzz about this userfeel.com, guys, it is a platform that pays you for testing websites and providing your valuable feedback. Today we're going to show you how you can leverage your opinions to make money online, and it's simple as A, B and C. If you're new to this channel, introduce yourselves in the comments. I want to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. You guys are amazing. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you from the bottom of my heart. Coming across this space for the first time, if you're coming across me for the very first time, let me go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Mariam A, based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share all things money. Hey, like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, guys, you will never be broke again. On this channel, you cannot be broke because I share great tips, tricks, and strategies on how to turn your skills into income. Yes, so how to monetize your skill and make money from the comfort of your home. So guys, let's get right into it. Come with me, let's go. Let's go. Besties, I have an exciting website that will put some extra dollars in your pockets. Yes, so making money online with userfeel.com. If you're ready to turn your skills, so your clicks into cash, just stick around till the end because we're about to unveil the secrets of this fantastic platform. Come with me, guys. Let's go. So besties, head over to userfeel.com website. The next thing you need to do is to sign up and create your profile. Now, getting started is just a piece of cake. Head over to userfeel.com, sign up, create a profile. On the top right corner, click on Get Paid to Test. You must watch the training video. It's about 1 minute and 35 seconds long. In case you're wondering, should you use your real name and address while conducting a test? No! You should use fake details while conducting a test. Never ever use your real name or your real details. Never use your real credit card details. Never ever use your home address. Never use your social security numbers. Never use your real phone number. Never use your real password. Yes. As for email, since some services actually require an authentication, based on it, you may create an email address, a special email address just for the tests. Please be sure to fill out your demographic information accurately because it ensures that you are matched with tests that actually suit you. Now, how do you qualify for this test? Once your profile has been set up, please keep an eye on your email address or the userfeel.com dashboard for available tests. Now, some tests might have specific qualifications, so please pay attention and ensure that you meet the criteria. The more tests you qualify for, the more money you can earn. Guys, let's get into the nitty-gritty of taking a test. Now, the first thing you need to do is to follow the instructions carefully, perform the tasks on the website, and most importantly, share your thoughts out loud. Your feedback is like gold for companies looking to improve their online presence. So besties, as for payments and rewards, here is the exciting part: getting paid. Userfeel.com compensates you for your time and your insights. Payments are usually processed through PayPal, making it quick and convenient for you to receive your earnings. I showed a friend of mine last week how to receive money via PayPal and she was shocked. She was in shock. You can receive money from PayPal and transfer it to your bank account. You don't have to do it instantly. I think they charge about 1 to 3% if you do it instantly. But when you transfer within 1 to 3 days, guess what? It takes only 1 day. Yes, except on weekends. If you do it on weekends, then you have to wait till the next business day. It takes 1 business day typically for you to get your money through PayPal. Yes, so guys, like I said, payments are usually processed through PayPal, making it quick and convenient for you to receive your earnings. Guys, here is your guide to making money with userfeel.com. It's a simple and enjoyable way to monetize your web browsing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more money making tips, and ring the notification bell so that you never miss a chance to earn money online. Happy testing and happy earning. Guys, if you have not joined the family yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and join the family, subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to be sharing a lot of resources on this channel, how to make money from the comfort of your home. In my next video, I'm going to share with you guys 5 websites that give free money. But I also share more. Yes, I have 5 more, making 10. But of course, the caption is just 5 websites. But while you're watching the video, I'm gonna share 5 extra websites by which you can make money. Yes, you can get free money. Yes, from these websites. Yes, these are things that people ordinarily will not tell you, and that is why I'm here to always give you guys valuable information back to back. These are information that people will package and sell to you as a digital product or a course or something. But no, I'm offering it. I'm telling you guys free of charge. I'm telling you, they are, like I always say, money is actually everywhere. You just need to know where to look, and the moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. On this channel, you cannot be broke again. The moment you stumbled on this channel, trust me, on this channel we're not broke. We are not broke people. And I'll definitely continue to share with you ways by which you can make money. And I'll also mention again, have you heard of the app called Nextdoor? If you don't have the app, go ahead and download it today. Now, Nextdoor app is a great app that helps you connect with people in your city, and you can do business, you can trade, you can sell products and services, you can monetize your skills, you can even walk dogs. Yes, you can walk dogs, you can keep dogs overnight if you can, while their owners travel, and they pay you good money. People treat their dogs like human beings here. They treat their dogs, their pets, like human beings. They host real funerals. When they die, they spend thousands and thousands of tens of thousands of dollars. So you see, people are willing to spend a lot on their pets. So yes, you can go on Nextdoor app, create a profile, sign up there, verify your address, because of course it's a neighborhood app, and everybody wants, they want to safeguard people as much as possible. In the interest of everyone. It's a way to monitor and keep an eye on everybody and make sure that everybody is safe in the community. You can advertise your products or your services. You can monetize your skills. So if you have any skill at all, you can go on Nextdoor app and create a free profile and start to advertise. Now, the first time you post on Nextdoor, you can introduce yourself, tell them what you do and the services that you offer, the products or services that you offer. You can share pictures with them alongside. Now, when it comes to the next time you want to promote yourself on Nextdoor app, do not say it the way everybody would ordinarily say it. Don't sound salesy. You can use motivational quotes. You can tell them you are beautiful, you are gorgeous. Do not let anyone, take that away from you. You can just give motivational, just lift their spirits, and then put pictures of what you sell and tell them to contact you if they are interested. This has worked for me so many times. Multiple. I'm still making money on Nextdoor. So guys, don't even sleep on it. Go on the Nextdoor app, advertise your products or your services, and trust me, you'll find clients within 24 hours to 48 hours on the app. It is super effective, I tell you, because it's a Nextdoor app. People don't want to mess up. People want to be at their best because people know their houses, people know where you stay, and you want to be as as civil as much as possible. I hope with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can make money from the comfort of your home. And of course, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified when I drop my next video. It promises to be a banger. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Take care of yourselves. Do not forget to like and share these videos with your friends. Tell a friend, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care and bye for now.